Hi. I came how I thought that in Islamic and reigns 1,000 future kulhod. When I was a kid, there's no one to help me buy that runs and reads, but it's so long ago that I came to do it and think it fast how I do it to take listen to Kyla. So I rearranged the Islamic version by me and think how this future come to yours and that collab to bring the contest began. So in Islamic tutorial can be a moment for this while ago. So, yung unang verse. Lumulubog ng muli ang araw. Lumulubog ng muli ang araw. Pwede nyo sundin yung version ko. Lumulubog ng muli ang araw. Parang ano siya, ipipigil mo lang yung damdamin mo. Tapos, gawin mong straighten yung pag-vocalize. Tapos, you learn to how to promote your own vocal to the highest part and think this is why gonna be a moment to teach how I teach you and think how I was born with and trust me. So, I can let it up and think how I supposed to live without it. So, lumulupog ng muli ang araw. Okay? Mga pusyong nagliliyab, tinig ang sigaw. Parang ninigang sigaw. Ganon, parang isa-stop-stop mo lang. Nig ng araw. Ganon, parang i-practice mo lang yan. Tapos, makukuha mo na. Yung pa-stop-stop. Pwede ring isa-isahin nyo. Ara. Ah. 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 Parang ganon. Tapos practice para mag-grow yung kulot. Mag-grow yan. Mag-grow yung kulot, hindi mo pa makukuha, pero marunong ka na. Hindi mo yan makukuha, pero marunong ka na. Pero sa ilang kanta, hindi mo makukulot. Mga pusyong nagliliyab, tinig ang sigaw. Tinig ang sigaw. Yung kamay rin, ganon. Hanggang sigaw. Yung isabay mo yung kamay para kumulot. Yun ang sekreto. Ganon yung sekreto. Tinig ang sigaw. Sigaw. I-runs mo siya ng sobra. Tapos, pwede mo siyang pigilin kung hindi ka marunong. Kang sigaw. Ganon. Isang word. Huwag sanang pigilan, bugso ng nararamdaman. Huwag sanang pigilan, bugso ng nararamdaman. Ganon para gumanda. Manghan. Ganon. Kung hindi pa matured yung boses mo. Yun lang. Bye-bye.